Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn how to delete your eBay account. Let's begin with the tutorial. Firstly, open your eBay app. Make sure you're logged into your eBay app. Then tap on My eBay. There you can see on your top left corner your profile, your name. Tap on it. Then over here on your top left corner you can see three dot icon. Tap on it. There you can see the option of help and report. Tap on it. Visit help and contact. Tap on it. There over here search for settings. Go to my account, then over there scroll down and search for settings. Then tap on see all. There you can see the option of close account. If you scroll a little down, there are all the precautions written. You can read it. Over here you can see the option of close account. Tap on it. There they'll ask you why you're leaving this account. Choose any reason. Then after they'll ask you what was the reason again. Then choose I want to close my eBay account. Then tap on submit. You'll receive your request to close your account within 24 hours. They'll send you an update on your email. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such content.